Manufacturers are under tremendous pressure with fluctuating demand and material costs, while leaders are challenged to lower the cost per unit and increase quality rates with a new workforce. At Zebra, we help manufacturers maximize productivity while minimizing errors, with rugged, enterprise-class tablets that can increase the productivity of your workforce and simplify daily operations. Manufacturers use Zebra tablets to streamline tasks required to proactively service machinery throughout the facility, while their facility managers can oversee their entire operations and make quick decisions thanks to the real-time data and information displayed in front of them. From greater control and visibility of advanced quality assurance to simplified employee training, more efficient line-side replenishment, and real-time digital assembly instructions, Zebra rugged tablets get the job done. They're easier to deploy and manage. Plus, they outperform and outlast consumer devices, leading to a lower total cost of ownership.